Original USA AC Plug 5V2. For a Gan USB-C super fast charger. USA AC Plug 5V2. For a Gan USB-C PD quick charger with USB Type-C GaN tech cable for Pad Mini 5. Pad Pro. Samsung Galaxy S series and A series and Note series. iPhone series. 12 Pro. 12 Pro Max. iPhone 11. 11 Pro. 11 Pro Max. iPhone set. XS Max. XS. S8. S8 Plus. Google Pixel. LG. Xiaomi. Huawei. Other brands. etc. GPO USA AC Plug 5V2. For a Gan UK Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger can be used at AC 100V to 30V. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.